How to get cheaper auto insurance for seniors. How to get lower car insurance rates. After dropping gradually as you get older, your car insurance rates are likely to start crawling uphill in your 60s and 70s. That means it's time to focus a little harder on getting the best auto insurance rates. But as a senior, you have some advantages that you didn't have when you were younger. Here are tips to save on auto insurance for seniors. Shop around for the best price. Not all insurers consider older drivers a greater risk. Drivers age 70 and older are a growing segment of the car insurance market. In the US, this group rose 38% between 1997 and 2014, according to the IIHS. If your insurance rates go up, you can shop around to see if another carrier can offer you a better deal. Car insurance is a very competitive industry, so there's a good chance you'll find a cheaper policy. When older drivers are unhappy with their auto policy rates, the best advice I can give is to shop companies. Use anti-theft devices. You can often reduce your car insurance bill by using anti-theft devices that help track stolen vehicles, such as OnStar and LoJack. You also may save money if you have a vehicle alarm system. Ask your insurance agent which security devices will earn you a discount. Consider bundling your insurance policies. If retirement means relaxing in your boat on the lake or traveling the country in an RV, you may have opportunities to save by bundling insurance. Companies often give discounts for buying multiple policies from the same insurer. A typical bundle combines auto and home insurance, but some insurers also offer price breaks for bundling a car policy with the boat, RV, motorcycle, renters, or life insurance. Raise your deductible. If your policy has a low deductible, but you could afford to pay more in the event of a claim, you can reduce your premium by opting for a higher deductible. The deductible is the amount your insurance company subtracts from the cost of a collision or comprehensive claim. It doesn't apply to liability coverage. As an example, if car repairs cost $5,000 and your deductible is $1,000, the insurer will pay $4,000. Choose a car that's cheap to insure. Car insurance rates vary widely depending on the type of car you drive. The next time you go car shopping, get insurance quotes for the models you're considering. Generally, the cheapest cars to insure are those that don't cost a lot to repair and replace, are driven by mostly safe, experienced drivers, and are good at protecting drivers and passengers in crashes. Make sure you get all the discounts you can from your car's features. Many auto insurance companies offer discounts for cars equipped with anti-lock brakes and airbags. Take a driving class. In most states, car insurance companies must offer discounts to seniors. In Massachusetts, you get a discount just for turning 65. In other states, though, you have to take a class to brush up on your driving skills to earn the discount. Some classes are offered in person, while many are offered online through such groups as AAA and AARP. Check with your state insurance department to see which ones are approved for getting the discount. The classes are cheap, less than $20 in many cases, and they cover lots of ground. You'll learn about how aging and medications affect driving, how to accommodate those changes safely, and how to navigate common, but challenging, driving situations. Shop around for better coverage. Auto insurance rates tend to creep up over time, so it's a good idea to shop yearly for car insurance. Compare multiple quotes to make sure you're still getting the best rate possible. Car insurance premiums vary widely by company, state, and neighborhood. If you've retired and moved to a new location, the company that gave you the lowest prices in the past may not be the cheapest for you now. As a senior, you may qualify for coverage that wasn't an option before. The Hartford, for example, offers insurance tailored to drivers 50 and older, in partnership with the AARP. Getting quotes from multiple insurers is the only way to find your best rate. Use technology to reduce your bill. Some insurance companies use technology to tie rates to your actual driving behavior. Telematics devices monitor such things as how far you drive, your driving speed, and how smoothly you apply your brakes. They know where you go. They know if you're speeding. If you're a safe driver, you get better rates. Ask your agent if your insurance company offers discounts for using a monitoring device in your car. Protect your car. Besides helping you avoid a loss, anti-theft devices can score you discounts with many insurers. Technology that could save you money include alarms, disabling devices, which don't allow the car to start if someone tries to steal it, and vehicle tracking systems such as OnStar or LoJack. Make sure to check with your insurer to see which products qualify for an insurance discount, if that's one of your reasons for buying a device. You don't have to go high-tech to get a discount. Many insurance companies also offer discounts for etching the vehicle identification number onto the windshield. Drop coverage you no longer need. Look closely at the details of your policy. If you don't commute to work anymore, you might not need coverage for a rental car when yours is in the shop for repairs. If you owe little or nothing on your car loan, gap insurance isn't necessary. And if your car isn't a brand new model, think about whether it makes sense to drop collision and comprehensive insurance. This coverage will pay to repair or replace your vehicle if it's damaged or stolen, but the maximum payout is typically limited to the current value of the car, less your deductible. Check what your car is worth. If your car's value is less than 10 times the extra premium you'll pay, it may be time to drop this coverage. Ask about low mileage discounts. The less you drive, the less likely you are to be involved in a traffic accident. If you retire from your job and no longer drive to work, the number of miles you log on the road each year should drop significantly, so ask about low mileage discounts. If you're not driving to and from work, your car will be classified as pleasure use, that will lower your rates. Consult with your insurance agent before you buy a car. The car of your dreams may not be the least expensive vehicle to insure. Carriers consider a variety of factors when setting rates, such as the cost of repairing and replacing your vehicle. Typically, the more expensive a car is, the costlier it will be to insure. Also, if the model you choose is a popular target for thieves, that could affect your rates. Consider taking a defensive driving course. Some insurance companies will reduce your insurance rates if you successfully complete a defensive driving course. Such classes are available through a variety of organizations and private schools. Before you sign up for such a class, call your insurance company to make sure that the course you're taking will result in lower car insurance rates. Get credit for driving less. Recently retired? Let your insurer know. Your premium should go down if you no longer commute to a job every day. You might also consider a pay-per-mile insurance program, which bases premiums in part on how much you drive. Typically, you plug a device into your car's diagnostic port and it records your mileage. Metromile, Allstate, Esurance, Nationwide, and Mile Auto all offer per-mile insurance in select states.